Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to get into Buy Me a Coffee affiliate program. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is open your own Buy Me a Coffee page. If you want, you can do that by using my affiliate link from the description. Also, I've made a whole video detailing step by step how to open your Buy Me a Coffee page. So if you want, you can find that video here, watch it and then come back to this video. Alright, so once you opened your Buy Me a Coffee page, you need to go to your home page, and that will look something like this. From here, go to the upper right corner and then click on these three lines. Here, go to Refer a Creator. And here on this page, you can find the link that you can copy and then share for the people to sign up. Also, depending on how many invites you have, you will unlock different perks. And one more thing to keep your mind on, once you copy this link, you need to add this extension to it for the link to be clickable. Once you add that, you can share it wherever you want and get your referrals. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.